Hi, I'm Ashley. I own Escape the Chaos Creations. Before DTF printing, I used to do Cricut, which was a lot of work. When I stumbled upon DTF, it was a game changer. I was able to print with white. I could put it on most fabrics and everything else. I used to outsource it, but I decided to invest in the XP 600 F13 printer, and I was able to make sure the quality and design was just how I wanted it. I tend to get a lot of last-minute orders, so having a DTF printer at my disposal is a complete game changer. I'm able to get those orders done within a day if needed, and the customer's always happy, which keeps them coming back. I chose the F13 Procolored dual head printer first because I wanted to make sure that I could get quality images at a fast speed, quick turnarounds, as I do a lot of school swag for my child's school to raise money for them. I just wanted to make sure that I invested in a printer that would grow with me and not hold me down. I am currently selling shirts, which retails around between $20 to $25 depending on design and size, along with hoodies and crew necks. Those are usually $30 to $45. I also do hats, which retail around $20. Baby stat animals, I've done elephants, I've done monkeys. People love those to give those as gifts when someone has a newborn. Kitchen towels that people love. It's a great gift for somebody that doesn't know what to get somebody. So far, Procolored tech support has been awesome. I just log right on to my computer and talk to somebody if there is an issue that has arisen. They can come right into my computer, which helps because they can play around with the settings and everything because they obviously know way better than I do regarding that stuff. If you're watching this and you want to start your own DTF business, I say jump right in. It takes a lot of learning to do at the beginning just because it's a whole new printer, it's new software and everything else, but once you get that all down, it's a breeze and it's so easy and you will make so much money. You're gonna love it. There's so many support groups regarding the Procolored Facebook groups and everything else, or you can just jump right online and a tech support will help you as well. But 100% I would definitely recommend this printer. It has made my life a lot better and easier, and it feels great to be able to contribute to the family as well.